All right, you guys, finally I have it in my collection, the Swedish fish megalodon. I mean, look at this thing. It was right in front of me. They had this case at my Walmart. I went 2 days ago, but I didn't have Wi-Fi at my grandma's house, so I don't have Wi-Fi here either, but I like recording here because it's quiet, you know, guys. Megalodon, guys, pretty cool. Monster Jam Series 37. Now, all I need for this case is Zombie, Grandma Gravedigger, and the Dragon Chase, which I probably won't even find any of those anytime soon. Without further ado, here it is, guys. Swedish fish. Here we go. Ooh, okay, and I'm in my kitchen. That's why it's a different area. So here it is, guys. A megalodon. I put the light, even though we really don't need it. Here it is. A megalodon. Look at this, guys. Those tires are good enough to eat. So here's, guys, see-through orange rims and beadlocks, yellow roll cage, blue chassis like the Swedish fish package. So it makes sense. Megalodon see-through plastic body with a metal base, of course. The wrinkles are nice. Really cool. I love this one. And the flippers are actually transparent, which is nice. So I'm glad I found this after, I don't know why this one was so hard for me to find. Back. Monster Jam logo. Megalodon, guys. So I got a Hot Wheels monster truck coming up next. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.